Hello and welcome to Middle-Aged Dad Does Life. We are going to do some changes on the MR2 today. We're going to put some new headlights in, or second-hand headlights, but the headlights that are in at the moment are yellowed and sort of faded. You can polish that out, however somebody who has this car before me has taken one of the lenses off and not put it back on properly. I use super glue, so I can't take it off. I'm having to lie down like this because the light is terrible, so I apologise for that in the first instance. It's an awkward position, so I'm going to get on with it. I've not had anything on the channel for a few weeks because I've got an illness that I'm going to tell you guys about in the next video. In the meantime, let's get on with this one. Let's get you some content and let's have you see the change from the old lights to the new ones. One thing I'm not going to do is do this as a how-to though. The reason for that is there's a ton of how-tos on this already, so it's just pointless footage. All I'm going to do is show you me actually doing the work, show you the before and after. Okay everybody, this is before. This is white and cloudy, as you can see. So that can usually be polished out, but not in this case, because on this headlight you'll see that there's water ingress inside. Somebody's taken this clear lens off. They've not put it back on properly. You can see there it's not seated right. They've used super glue to put it back together, so there's no way I can take it off. Well, we've got water ingress. While they're both damaged, I've bought a new set, second-hand set off a guy called Dick Sloan who's up in Cumbria. I'm going to get those on today and you're going to watch. As you can see everybody, it's not that difficult a job. I use 3 tools, 2 screwdrivers, 1 10mm socket. It's done and dusted in about 10 minutes, nothing crazy. Everything's buttoned up, everything's back to normal, and all looking good. See you next time guys.